Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic I know so many of you have been curious about: how to balance comfort and elegance with sneakers. Yep, you heard that right. Sneakers can absolutely be as chic as a pair of heels, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve that perfect blend of casual and sophisticated. So, whether you're elevating your everyday style or looking to freshen up your fall wardrobe, sneakers can play a major role. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start with clean, minimalist sneakers. First things first. When it comes to pairing sneakers with an elegant outfit, start with minimalist sneakers. We're talking sleek, simple designs. Think white leather or neutral tones like black, beige, or gray. These sneakers work with almost any outfit and keep things looking effortlessly chic. And a little tip: avoid big, bold logos or chunky soles. We want the sneakers to complement your outfit, not steal the spotlight. Pair them with structured pieces like a wool coat or a tailored blazer to strike the perfect balance between casual and elegant. Easy, right? Step 2. Pair with wide-leg trousers or skirts. Now let's step it up a notch. Sneakers don't always have to go with jeans or leggings. A pro tip? Pair them with wide-leg trousers or a chic skirt. It's such a stylish combo that feels modern but super comfortable. High-waisted trousers or a pencil skirt with a cozy sweater can look incredibly polished when paired with sneakers. Just make sure to stick with classic cuts and neutral tones. This keeps the whole look feeling refined, while the sneakers add a fun, laid-back vibe. Perfect for fall days when you're running errands or meeting up with friends for brunch. 3. Go monochrome for a polished look. One of my all-time favorite ways to style sneakers elegantly is by going monochrome. Pick one color and run with it. Think beige on beige or even gray on gray. The result? A super polished, cohesive look that's still relaxed. For example, pair beige trousers, a beige sweater, and your white sneakers. It's simple but so chic. You'll look effortlessly put together, and the sneakers add just the right amount of casual cool. Monochrome is also a fantastic way to wear sneakers to more formal settings without feeling underdressed. Trust me on this one. 4. Embrace layering for a stylish fall aesthetic. Layering is key to mastering fall fashion. Not only does it provide warmth, but it also adds dimension and sophistication to your outfits. When styling sneakers with elegant pieces, layering becomes essential in tying the entire look together. Think along the lines of lightweight sweaters, tailored blazers, scarves, and long coats. Each of these pieces can take a simple sneaker outfit to the next level. For instance, a turtleneck sweater layered under a tailored coat, paired with jeans and sneakers. Instant chic. Layering also lets you mix textures, adding richness to your outfit while keeping you warm. Trust me, it's the ultimate fall hack. 5. Elevate with thoughtful accessories. Accessories are the secret sauce when it comes to pulling off sneakers with elegance. A structured handbag, chic wool scarf, or delicate gold jewelry can instantly elevate your outfit. This fall, try adding a cashmere scarf in rich tones like burgundy or navy, or a leather handbag in classic shades like black or tan. These pieces add sophistication, while the sneakers keep the vibe comfortable and casual. And don't forget simple jewelry. A pair of gold hoops or a dainty bracelet goes a long way in keeping your outfit polished. 6. Go for tailored jumpsuits or rompers. Here's another unexpected but super stylish option. Pair sneakers with a tailored jumpsuit or romper. This combo is perfect for when you want an effortless, one-piece outfit that still looks polished. A sleek jumpsuit with a defined waist or a casual chic romper in a neutral tone can really make your sneakers stand out while still keeping the look refined. To make it work, choose a jumpsuit in a structured fabric like cotton or linen and add a statement belt to define your waist. Pair with clean sneakers and maybe throw on a blazer. This is a great way to stay comfy without compromising on style. 7. Style with a statement coat. Another way to elevate your sneaker look? Style them with a statement coat. Think bold patterns, rich colors, or even an oversized trench coat. The coat becomes the star of your outfit, while the sneakers add that cool, casual element. For fall, a long camel coat or a plaid trench can work wonders. The key is to keep the rest of the outfit simple, maybe a pair of black skinny jeans and a cozy sweater. Your sneakers will ground the look and keep it from feeling too formal, while the statement coat adds that wow factor. 8. Keep your sneakers clean and polished. And lastly, one of the most important tips: keep your sneakers clean. Even the most stylish outfit can be ruined by scuffed or dirty sneakers. Regular cleaning is essential to maintaining that polished vibe. For leather sneakers, invest in a good leather cleaner and conditioner, while canvas sneakers can be spot cleaned or tossed in the wash. A little care goes a long way in keeping your entire outfit looking sharp and fresh. And there you have it, my complete guide to pairing sneakers with elegance this fall. Whether you go for minimalist sneakers, play with wide-leg trousers, or style them with a statement coat, there's a way to keep your look polished while staying comfortable. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fashion inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish, stay comfortable, and embrace the perfect mix of sneakers and elegance. See you in the next video.